Okay, so this is my homework number 2 for Python is easy. I have my variables right here set, and then I call them globally under each function. And so then I have the artist name function, artist age function, and song name function. And so then I just print out artist name colon and then I call the variable artist name after that. I call the variable name after that, which is what artist name prints out from the variable up here. And then after that, I just have the same thing down for the next two. And then for my if statement, I just put define more than, and then if age is greater than 1000, return false, or else return true. And then up here, age is 46. It's called globally here, so it'll be able to recognize it. And then I have print Eminem is 46 years old, colon, and more than, which is this. So then it'll just print whatever it decides is right, which in this case is true because it's not exceeding 1000. So yeah, thank you for watching.